Are you planning a trip to Costa Rica and wondering where to find the best ziplining experience?
Well, so were we, and we quickly realized there's a lot of freaking options to choose from.
But don't worry, we've done all the research for you. In this video, you'll find out which zipline experience is an absolute must during your time in Costa Rica.
Today we're going ziplining, and it's actually the first time I've ever been ziplining. There are so many different places to choose from in Costa Rica, but I think you chose a really good one because it's in a beautiful beach town of Nosara. This drive out of Tamarindo as we head towards Nosara has been so beautiful. It was literally sunrise and the sun was coming over the mountains. There was fog all around the mountains and up in the valleys. I didn't realize how lush and beautiful and green Costa Rica is. I'm really excited to get there and see it from a really amazing perspective.
Oh shoot! The first half of the ride was beautiful. The pavement was nice. Second half, not so much. You can't go 2 seconds without hitting a pothole. Oh God.
This has been nuts to try to navigate. You feeling excited, babe?
Ready to get out of this bumpy spot. Oh! That ride was not for the faint of heart, but I'm glad we made it. I'm excited to go on this canopy tour and zipline for the first time in my life. We decided on Miss Sky Canopy Tour in Nosara for 3 major reasons.
First of all, the views. Oh my gosh.
Second, Miss Sky has over 10 back-to-back runs. Hope you're an adrenaline junkie like we are.
And the last reason, well, you'll have to stick around until the end of the video for a breathtaking surprise that makes this tour an absolute must. Well, once again, that was an absolutely wild ride. It was so bumpy, off-roading in a massive vehicle like this, but the views are gonna be so worth it. Ready to crush it.
All right, I'm excited, but I'm not gonna lie. Knowing that I'm being suspended hundreds of feet up in the air by a cable kind of sketches me out a little bit, but this is my first time, so I'm just gonna relax, have fun, and just not overthink it. That was absolutely amazing. So while I was up there just floating through the forest, I literally felt like a bird flying. If you have not ever done zip lining, I definitely recommend you do it. Yes, I'm panting right now because we have to hike from the first zip line to the second zip line. So let's check this next one out.
I'm gonna go upside down.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Now 100 feet above the ground.
How many hundred?
Now 900.
900 feet above the ground, and I'm gonna go upside down. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right, so I've convinced Alex to try going upside down because it is the most amazing view.
I don't know how I feel about this, but this should be fun. Didn't think I was gonna like that as much, but that was so fun.
Ending this hike and zipline experience with a waterfall was even better than I imagined. We got to cool down. Now we get one more beautiful zipline.